Alright, I got a crazy one here. Check this out. 24 Duramax. Starts and runs fine. You press the windshield washer button and the truck stalls and the wipers come on. Also on this 24 Duramax, if you unplug the washer pump, we'll see what happens here. Oh, unplug the washer pump and the truck turns off. Nice. Back to the Silverado that turns off when you hit the washer pump. Think I might have found a problem. This wire is all melted inside of the underhood fuse block. You can see where it melted a bunch of wires together. Yeah, I think I might have found the culprit. What caused that is the question now. Back up and running. Washer squirters work. Problem solved. Well, what happened is the relay for the washer pump is an internal in this fuse block. So it shorted itself out, backfed power to the ground wire, melted the ground wire in half in the harness, causing the problem. So when you unhook the washer pump, it would be a no start. You hit the washer button, it would stall. Problem solved. New fuse block, new ground wire ran, truck's good to go.